Look, there are many classic types of simplified calculation problems. If you can't solve it, give it a like. We will learn the split combination method and our heavy wine model. 6666 multiplied by 66666. You can't even calculate that. There's no way to simplify the calculation. We all know how 666 comes about. It's 6 multiplied by 1111, and 6 can be split in 2. 2 times 3, then multiplied by 1111. When you can't find a breakthrough, first break it down. So the second 6666 is also 2 times 3 times 1111. First split, then combine. But what principle do you use to combine? The core of simplified calculation is the mindset of rounding to whole numbers. Rounding to tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s makes it easier to calculate. But even if I can't round it exactly, I must find numbers close to these whole numbers, like 99, 100, 99, 999. Multiplying 3 by 3 gives 9. Then multiply by 1111 to get 9999. For the remaining part, multiply 2 by 2 to get 4. Then multiply by 1111. It's 44C44. 2 multiplied by 2, and isn't 9999 just 10,000 minus 1? Then you can calculate it. Actually, you can also use the repeated 9 model here. The repeated 9 model can directly give the result. Subtract the smaller number from 14443, and what about the remainder? Subtract it from the larger 999 to get 5556, and you have the answer directly. This is called the repeated 9 model. How can you explain it to a child so they understand? Let's take an example. If it's 444 multiplied by 9999, we can turn it into 444 multiplied by parentheses. 1,000 minus 1, so 444 multiplied by 1,000 is just adding 3 zeros to the end of 444. Then subtract 444, and everyone will understand. In fact, you don't need to subtract such large numbers. I just need to take out 1,000 to subtract it, and that's enough. So at this point, we realize 444, when 1,000 is borrowed from it, becomes 443, right? This is why this number is a small number minus 1. Using 1,000 to subtract 444 is actually equivalent to using 999 to subtract 443. We get 556, so we find a pattern. Subtract 1 from the previous number, then take 999 and subtract it to get 556. Similarly, it can be proven that subtracting 14444399999 from 4443 gives 55556, directly leading to the answer. If you understand the heavy wine model, give it a follow.